Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here to tell you what's going on today. Lots of webinars. Oh, Wednesdays are tough. Just watch Reds late. I had to fire myself. I was live because Marty DeGarmo called me right at 11 o'clock and Bill Must, and then I couldn't find his YouTube channel. So Marty just did a great live. He will be putting that on YouTube later. Me, I'm thinking about doing some YouTubes. I do have a lot of people that share my YouTubes. But anyway, let's get on with what's going on today. At 2 o'clock, which is an hour and 16 minutes, Red Redfern in the UK is going to be doing a presentation Q&A. I will post all these links on my Facebook when I get done with this live. That is really an excellent presentation. We have a lot of real good ones out there. Red's one of my favorites. Hey Yvonne, hey Mukush, Fahir, how you doing? Patricia Tan. Ooh, Amurdia Haba. Oh man, I'm gonna mess that one up. Anurdia. I'm sorry. Hey Dawn. So that's at 2 o'clock. I will post that link. That's really, Red has one of the best presentations, I think, in my opinion, and it's really good. And there's 70, 80 people get on there. I would suggest you get on that one if you want to know all about OnPassive. It's an excellent one. You can actually ask them for the recording and you can watch it on your own time. Hey Yvonne, you are welcome, by the way, for the other day. That was a lot of fun, actually. Samanath Dada, hey. All right, so then at 3 o'clock, there's a Peter Shore. I believe today is a public. I will put that on here also. That's for the Arabic speaking world. Peter Shore also speaks a few languages. If you want to get on there, and he will translate, but it's all Middle Eastern language. So, but it is a good one. That's for our Middle Eastern brothers and sisters. And then there's a German one too, I think. I can't remember what time that one. My sister Angie will probably be on there. There's a Croatian one at 3 o'clock. They're all over the place. And then we'll get down to 6:30, which is the Julian Milo Q&A, presentation Q&A. And I've forgotten who she said is presenting again. If she comes on here, I'm sure she'll write the name. And then at 8:30 will be the hey, Lucci Royal, what's happening? Cartagena's waiting for me, eh? I'm trying, baby, I'm trying. So 8:30 is the hey show with myself and Narelle Warcon. We never know what we're going to do to the last minute, but I'm sure it'll be fun. All those links will be posted on my Facebook as soon as I'm done. Oh, Renata's texting me with this live. Hey, Hap, what's happening? Jay, what's happening? I am way behind today. Had a heck of a night trying to sleep last night. My blood is pumping because of what's happening in OnPassive. It's really a great thing going on here. But Wednesdays and Thursdays are really busy with all these webinars. I try to get on most of them. Hey, Peter Shore, there you are. Peter, that's public today, right, Pete? Just say yes or no. I'm pretty sure that's a public Middle Eastern webinar today. And I will post that on my Facebook, like I said. Mohammed, what's happening? Hey, Jay. Jay's kicking out those lives like crazy. I'm getting excited by the day. Yes, sir, Pete. So what we also have is Pam Turner did a group meetup today, which was pretty cool. They met in a restaurant. She invited Hildegard last night, and she actually showed up. I do have that on my Facebook. We have a lot of... Julie Wen has actually started something really cool. People are now doing their own meet and greets, which we're trying to get them on YouTube's lives. It's a lot of fun. Cedric Flowers, my brother Cedric Flowers from Philadelphia, will be doing a huge one on September 12th. I will get you all those details when I get them. That's going to be in Philadelphia, and I heard there's going to be a ton of people there. Hey, Ron Hubert, what's happening? And that's going to be a lot of fun. What else is going on today? You know what's going on? OnPassive's going on. It is public. Thanks, Pete. All right, I appreciate it. 3 o'clock. Gotcha. And like I said, I'll put all these links on my Facebook when I'm done with this crazy live. I was talking to Marty and Bill Must every morning. We get on a phone call and we talk about things. Bill Must always fires me up. Marty always fires me up. And they called me right at 11 when Red's live was going. And by the way, Red kicked Marty's butt today. He had 112, which way to go, Red. But Marty said if anyone's going to beat him, Red's the guy, and he loves it. So, But OnPassive is here to stay, folks. We have, everyone's texting me here again. Jacqueline, hold on, Jacqueline. We have a lot of things going on in OnPassive, all right? And you see me get on here every day, talk about this. Today's the day to get in it, folks. You can PM me or anyone that shares this or any one of these beautiful names that are here that are my brothers and sisters. Hey, William. And they will get you all the information to get into OnPassive. It's going to be an amazing thing. Like I said, it's very hard to wrap your head around it. And what I mean by that is it's so big. It's really, really big in what it's going to do for your life. John White and the Barbershop Quartet. What's happening, John? So, once you get into this, which you really don't have to do anything, but once you start plugging in and realize what's coming your way, I guarantee you will be as excited as me. And, excuse me, you will lose sleep over it. Excuse me, I got to get some coffee. Woo! That'll do it for me. So, let's see, Bahula. I like that, Gupta. I like that a lot. He said, never get tired, never lose courage. Have courage to do something in life so the journey is still on. I love it, man. That's beautiful. Hey, Linda, what's happening? Janet, what's happening, Janet? Janet, I tried tagging you on Marty's. We're going to try to fix that. He's not sure what's going on with that. So, I'm just saying, if you guys are looking at me right now, my crazy big head, all these people, hey, Zoltan, what's happening? All these people below me are founders, okay? Every one of them are as excited as me because they've been plugged in. They listen to what Ash has to say. They listen to what the leadership has to say, and they're amazed by it. When this does launch, folks, if you're not in it, I'm going to be honest, you're going to cry. But you still can be a reseller for those people that don't believe it. But like last night, I was in the Caribbean with Admire. Her husband was birthday, so she decided that she was going to go out with her husband, which I'm glad she asked me to fill in. We had a lot of fun. We talked about my beautiful sister, Cynthia. She was a special guest, and we opened her up, and it was really cool. And she left me a beautiful message this morning, how much fun it was. Dr. Derek is going to be doing, or he did a little 5-minute thing on one of our products, Staff. I will be making, Bill Musk will be making a YouTube video out of that. There was also a beautiful lady on there named Teresa and her daughter who did a very unique presentation. We will be making a YouTube video out of that. So I want to do a big shout out for the Admire Walker Caribbean webinar. It was really great. And that's what I do, guys. I hit these webinars. If I see someone saying something that catches my ear and blows me away, I get with my brother and my best friend Bill Musk, and we set it up. We get it going. Bill Musk can do anything on YouTube, so we appreciate you, Bill Musk. We appreciate you, John White. We appreciate you, Timmy Johnson, for making all those wonderful YouTubes, posts, pictures. A lot of work, I know, but we all do appreciate and love you to death. Hey, Debbie Morgan, what's happening? Man Mohan, how you doing, my brother? All right, yeah, I'm trying to get the names here. But guys, I'm just going to tell you this, man. Every day, I'm going to keep doing this until I get your attention. All right, $97 to join a multi-billion-dollar company, which is your business. You're paying a company to build you a business, and you don't have to do nothing. I'm going to keep saying it. Hey, Tanya, what's happening? Yep, Croatian, that's at 3 o'clock, I think, Tanya. We got all kind of things going today. It's a busy day. There's no excuses, folks. Many webinars going on today, many lives going on today, many meet and greets going on. You need just to jump on one of those, all right? All ages. We got people that are in their 90s that are doing this. We have people that are very, very successful already, and you can actually say they don't need it, but they understand the powerful thing that OnPassive is going to do, and they jumped in it. That's right. I believe we have a prime minister of a country that is now a founder. This is how fast this is growing. This is all over the world, folks. People that you thought, why would they get into it? Because they understand what OnPassive is about. That prime minister understands what it's going to do for his country and how much it's going to help out his people. Okay, I have a few people that reached out to me yesterday about Thailand. Redford jumped in with me, and we're trying to find someone that speaks Thai. All right, I put out a thing that if you speak Thai, I will buy you a position in OnPassive. We will train you up to do a presentation in Thailand, which I think would be really cool. So I'm looking forward to that. I do have 2 or 3 people that reached out. I'm still waiting for a PM on their name so I can talk to them, which I think is great. That's what we do, guys. One of my responsibilities, I believe, is going from country to country, looking for those countries who don't have they have a few founders, and we want to build it up. All right, we want it to explode. Every country that's in OnPassive, which is everyone basically, we want to get in and dig into the deep roots of that country so we can help change those countries. Everyone that's a founder in every country knows what OnPassive is going to do for their country. Oh, bless, baby. You can't beat oh, bless. All right, any business out there, when you see oh, staff, you're going to be blown away. And as soon as I get that recording to Bill, he's going to make a YouTube. My buddy Dr. Derek will be did a nice little 5-minute thing about O staff, but you can also go to OnPassive OnPassive.com and check out our website. Okay, it's got everything in there. Go check out the blogs and get in there and make something on a blog. Myself, I haven't done it yet, but I'll get there. Kevin Rutledge in the house. Hey, Kevin Rutledge is one of the founders here and an angel, and I haven't talked about the angels list. That's still going on. And I'll get it out there, that what we're going to do, the first big project is to get rid of homelessness, not just in the state of Michigan. It's going to start here, but throughout the whole world. I have a big list, and I haven't talked about that in a couple weeks because I've been really busy. But yes, that's still going on. You guys also heeded the warning in the back office today. I'll touch up a little bit on that. A lot of people called me yesterday after that was put out. A lot of you do other things while you're doing OnPassive. And you're not doing anything wrong. You are allowed to do certain things, but you do not promote those products that you're doing with OnPassive founders. That's it. You're not doing nothing wrong, but if you're sharing it with OnPassive founders, well, yeah, you're doing something wrong. Hey, what's up, Mark? How you doing? So just heed the warning. Read the back office. You do not share that. That is from the CEO himself, explaining what's going on. And just be careful what you do. No one's saying you can't have a business. All right? Every one of you in here have some kind of ways you make money. That's great. We just don't promote other products within OnPassive. That's just a no-no. That's in your NDA, so check that out. But today is a beautiful day. It's almost 80 degrees. The wind's blowing. It's nice and chilly. We're not in that 95-degree range again. But today's the best day to sign up for OnPassive. Every day is the best time to sign up for OnPassive. That's the greatest thing in the world. Because once you get in $97, you can sit back and do nothing and let it happen, or you could get out and share like I do and every one of these people that are below are doing. So what else is going on today? Let me think. A lot of Q&A presentations today. In any language you want. Lucci Royal still calling out. I need some of those Colombians. She's just trying to get me down there, I know, but she knows my situation. But you can help Lucci Royal by reaching out to your friends, and we will set up a Zoom presentation for Colombia. I have a lot of beautiful friends in Colombia, and it's really, Cartagena is absolutely gorgeous. You guys have seen all my pictures from the past 7 years of me going down there and having a lot of fun. But we're trying to change lives, folks. That's what it's about. We want to change lives, okay? We're going to change your success. We're going to leverage everything we got to help you. As my buddy Red Redford says, let us do the hard work for you, all right? 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the leadership is there to help you, and we're doing whatever we can to help you. That's what we do. We're a family-oriented company. We're a God-fearing company. The CEO, Ash Mafar, does an amazing, amazing thing is what he's done here. He's built something that anyone could do it. We have founders that aren't even born yet that are signed up. You believe that one? How's that? That's how much people believe in this. So when that kid turns legal age one day, you'll have to manage that money. If you're a grandparent signing up your grandchildren, which a lot of people have. But when that kid turns of legal age, that kid is never going to have to worry about anything the rest of his life. Best colleges, a beautiful car, beautiful homes. The struggles that everyday people go through to help their children out. You know, you people that have kids going through college, you know what it costs. Imagine if OnPassive is going to pay for all that. Imagine if OnPassive is going to pay for all your bills and you don't have to do nothing. Continue what you're doing right now. Don't stop because you signed up for 97 bucks. This is going to take a year. I mean, you're going to generate amount of residual income right from day one, I do believe, but it's just going to keep growing. It doesn't stop. There's no caps. Artificial intelligence is going to work its butt off for you every single day. 365 days a year, folks. There's going to be things spitting out. Let's see, whose name? We'll use Julie Wen today because I love her to death. JulieWen.com, JulieWen.com, JulieWen.com. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. And what happens? These people see that with number one, I'm getting a call. Number one, these people are going to sign up because they're going to, number one, everyone's going to hear about OnPassive when it launches because it'll be everywhere. And then they're going to find out they can be a reseller and make money. No other platform has offered that. No other company in the world is about changing humanity for the better. You have one now, folks. And the leader is Ash Mafara, who wants to change the wealth of the world. He wants everyone to have a piece of the pie. And that's pretty much it is when you become a founder. But I tell you right now, getting in as a founder, don't wait. I'm telling you right now, don't wait till we launch. Get in now for the $97. It's $102 with a credit card, okay? Get in this now and get on the ground floor of a multi-billion-dollar, you might as well say a $500 billion company because that's really what it's going to be. All right, but don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say all these people below didn't tell you. Let me get down. People are writing comments again. I have the best day, everyone. I'm heading to Israel and share Mass. That's Julie. Go, Julie, go. Lystra, what's happening? Ooh, man, there's a lot of people on here. Juanita, what's happening? Patricia Tan. All my brothers and sisters on here from all over the world. But guys, get in this. If you do have a birthday today, I did wish out some happy birthdays on Facebook this morning. I'm wishing you a happy, wonderful birthday. Please, you want a great birthday present? Get in this and share it with people and help change their lives. If you're sick, we're praying for you. That's huge in this company. We've got 85,000, 86,000 people now who are constantly praying every day for the world, to help change the world, to get rid of this virus, to make people healthy again. And when OnPassive launches, there's going to be a lot of things fixed in this world, and you can take my word for it because that's what's going to happen. But get in this. Don't even think about it. PM me, PM somebody that shares this, and get back with them. All right, I think I said everything. If I missed something, I apologize. If I missed your name, I apologize. Let me see if I missed anybody. I don't think I did. Preet, what's happening? Real quick. Man, I hate when I miss people's name. There's Pam. How you doing, Pam? Ooh, I think I got everybody. If I missed your name, I'm sorry. So keep this going. You guys, share away. I do not post links on my videos to help you build your teams. And I myself stopped building my team when I became leadership. All right, my main goal is to help you build your team. So I'm asking you to help. Let me help you. Let me help you, okay? Share these lives, and I say every day, get back to the person that shared it. I also share them out to quite a few people to help them. And the greatest thing for me is when I get a call every morning and say, Chris, I signed up 2 people. I signed up 2 people because they watched your live. All right, that makes me feel great. So, all right, I'm talking way too much. I got to go. I love you all. I'll see you later. Don't forget 2 o'clock Reds, 3 o'clock Pete's. We got Croatia. We got Germany. Julie Milo, 6:30. Hey, myself and Narelle work on. Let's get in it. Let's get it going and just don't stop. All right, I love you all. See ya.